In this video, we will look at how to manually create a delivery and post the corresponding goods receipt. Start transaction VL31N to begin creating a delivery. If the supplier number is known, enter it in the supplier field. If the supplier number is not known, use the F4 help to search for the correct supplier and confirm the selection with a double click. Click on the Purchase Orders button to filter for the relevant purchase order and confirm your selection by clicking the Execute button. Check the box for the correct purchase document and confirm the selection by clicking the Adopt Selected button. Click the Save button. The inbound delivery has been saved and an inbound delivery number has been generated. Once an inbound delivery has been created, the goods receipt can now be posted. There are two ways to post the goods receipt, via Transaction MIGO or Transaction VL32N. Start Transaction MIGO for the first option. First, select the transaction type using the left-hand drop-down. In this case, it is A01 Goods Receipt. Select the reference document R04 Inbound Delivery from the right-hand drop-down. Enter the delivery number next to it and click the Execute button on the right. Enter the delivery note number or bill of lading ID to assign the goods receipt to a specific delivery. This ensures better traceability, quality control, and efficient inventory management. Check the box in the OK field to confirm receipt of the delivery. The detailed data must be collapsed, otherwise the OK field will be grayed out and unselectable. Click the Post button to post the goods receipt. The second way to post the goods receipt is via Transaction VL32N. To do so, start Transaction VL32N. Use the F4 help to select the correct delivery. Switch to the Stock Placement tab and enter the put-away quantity or the picked quantity. Then click the Post Goods Receipt button. The goods receipt for the delivery has been posted and a material document number has been generated.
We hope the video helped you. In case you got any additional questions or comments, please leave a message below. See you next time, your advist-Academy.